In addition to their famous egg peeler, Negg makes a line of deviled egg seasoning mixes that make the perfect deviled eggs every time. Of course, there's the traditional flavor, but also more unique flavorings, like the Smoky ham deviled egg seasoning, which provides a subtle smoky flavor that gives just a hint of Virginia ham. Or the curry deviled egg seasoning mix, which provides enough spice to enhance but not overwhelm your taste buds. Negg broke all deviled egg barriers with the release of their Cajun-style deviled egg seasoning mix. These deviled eggs provide just enough heat to bring out all the flavors. Let's see what Priscilla is creating with these Negg seasonings.
I'm Priscilla, and you're watching A Taste of New York. Today, if you love hard-boiled eggs, I'm gonna make it easy, fast, and fun for you using the Negg. Thank you so much, Negg Maker, for sending me this amazing gadget. I definitely love hard-boiled eggs, and I love making deviled eggs, and I can't wait to try this. This is a great way to just make those deviled eggs dazzling and spectacular, really, really easy. First, we're gonna use the Smoky ham, and we're gonna use the original, and then we're gonna make a dip using the Cajun seasoning. Right now, I'm just going to peel all the eggs using the Negg Easy Egg Peeler. So what I love about this is that it makes it really, really easy for you to peel the eggs. You basically just need to boil them and put them in an ice bath or in the fridge. And then you take this really cool gadget that they sent me, a few of them. We have them in different colors, which is really great. And you just open this guy up, and you're gonna fill it with a 1/4 cup of water. You're gonna add your cold hard-boiled egg, and you put the lid back on, shake it a few times, and it makes the shell come off so easily. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so I've got these eggs that were already in the fridge. They're nice and cold. I have my water and my perfect little Negg. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water into this container, just like that, and take out one of these eggs, put it right in, and then snap the lid. Then we're gonna shake it a few times just like that. Open the lid, and voila. Super easy to remove the shell. Just like that. Okay, so I've got in this cup right here 2/3 of a cup of mayo, and I've added our classic seasoning mix, and I'm just gonna mix this up and set it aside. And then we're gonna cut the eggs in a half lengthwise, and then take out the yolks and mash it up. So before I incorporate my seasoned mayo and my mashed up egg yolks, I wanted to let you know that you can go to neggmaker.com and you can get this easy master kit, which comes with one of the Neggs, 4 seasoning packets, and they give you this piping tube with a metal tip so that you can easily pour this right into the eggshells. It makes a beautiful presentation, and it's only $29.95. So you guys gotta get this master kit because it's gonna make it look so much more presentable and beautiful. So the great thing is that if you're interested in a little bit more flavor, we can always use some of the other seasoning mixes like the Smoky ham deviled eggs. We just made the classic, and now we're gonna make Smoky ham. Who doesn't love deviled eggs? They're perfect for every holiday, but it may seem like a lot of work to prepare. All that peeling and mixing. Well, now it's very easy to create dazzling and delicious deviled egg platters. A company called Negg, which stands for Naked Egg, has created a patented hard-boiled egg peeler and egg products that will take your egg preparation skills to the next level. So normally, before having this gadget, when you peel your eggs, they tend to come out bruised, kind of like this, or they've got little dents in there like this. But when you use the Negg They come out smooth and perfect every time. It's so easy. You just make your hard-boiled eggs, add 1/4 cup of water to your Negg egg peeler, add your hard-boiled egg from the ice bath or fridge, snap the cap and shake the egg peeler a few times. Voila! The shell is easy removed. It's the same technique used by commercial peelers, but handheld, and now you can use it too. Deviled eggs, then you gotta try these deviled egg seasoning mixes. There's 4 flavors, don't forget, and all you have to do is visit neggmaker.com. And then we're gonna make a dip using the Cajun seasoning. Find out more at neggmaker.com.